on environmental crisis because my native city is Chittoor. In Chittoor, the major business was stone mining, legal or illegal. First of all, I want to explain about meaning of mining. Extraction of valuable minerals or any other non-renewable resources from earth, usually from an ore. Another way, any material that cannot be grown through agricultural process or created artificially is a laboratory is usually mined. Impacts due to mining. First, water pollution. I am showing the river, groundwater, and then some factories used cutting machines gives wastage water. That water cannot go inside the earth, and after cutting of granite, the wastage stone they are throwing here and there. That river also so many stones was there, and here I am showing that granite factory wastage water. Here look at the water. This water pollutes the air and also water. And after that, the another one is impacts due to mining, air pollution. While drilling the stones, the big stones, it will come dust, and then they will put some bombs to blast the big stones. The dust will spoil the environmental. The another one is due to the environmental. Coming to deforestation. Deforestation is because major mining impacts is the deforestation. Because of mining, they are cutting the plants and trees, everything they are cutting. See here, there was one mining place, the fully water. Here there is no land, agricultural land they are occupied, they are doing mining works. And then loss of habitat, it is also coming to like deforestation. Animals, plants will loss of here, and also loss of aesthetic value. Loss of aesthetic value. Aesthetic means beauty. Here we can see that there is cutting of so many stones, wastage stones. So because of that stones, the natural beauty were going. We are losing the beauty of nature. Instead of these rocks, instead of these stones, we can plant so many plants, we can create so many plants. See the beauty here, that normal beauty. Without these stones, we can see more beautiful. Here one man is cutting the stones with hands. We can see another impacts is that socio-cultural disturbance to tribes. Another major impact on environmental crisis was noise pollution. During bomb blast, there was so many noise were coming. Because of that noise, so many animals were fearing. They are moving here to another place. Who were living there near the men's or humans living there, that animals was moving there. Then coming to socio-cultural distance to tribes. Here the road was going, there was one ST colony is there. So because of this mining, they were disturbing. That was the major impact of mining. Then health impacts. Also the major issue of environmental crisis. See here the people were doing the mining works, the labor works. So many local laborers, local peoples were doing the work there. During bomb blast time, unexpectedly the big rock, the big stone will come and beat them. So we can see here the how the local people facing the problems, facing the health issues, we can see here. And the families and the peoples were facing high risks. See here the mining, how the mining works were done here. And finally one can we can tell one thing: ecological imbalance. Because of mining, see animals and plants will disturb. See interaction between living organism and environmental is very important, because we are living together, animals and humans, plants. Without animals the human cannot live. So if mining will happen like this, we cannot see the forest, we cannot see the trees, and everything we cannot see. Finally I want to explain about 9 impacts, the major impacts of mining. One is air pollution, another one is water pollution, third one is noise pollution, fourth one is deforestation, fifth one is loss of habitat, sixth one is loss of aesthetic value, seventh one is socio-cultural disturbance to tribes, the eighth one is health impacts, the ninth one is ecological imbalance. Coming to ecological balance also, the major impact on the mining works. Like this mining happens, the earthquake also will come because of mining. God created this nature to everything good, but the human spoiling the God's will, God's talents, everything the human were spoiling. Thank you, friends.